Alright guys, here is the boss. Now the issue I'm having with the car is sometimes it will not start. I'm thinking that the starter is either going bad or something else is going on. When I first got the car, it was working fine, but then it started having issues. So now I'm going to go ahead and kind of try to see if I can get it to start. I kind of disconnect the battery for a little bit. Sometimes that will do it. Yes, it's doing the same thing still, where it just does not like to start. So let's see what happens now. All right guys, so I brought the car into Voodoo. Only problem is I'm scared of turning it off and having it not turn back on. It's been doing that, so I'm trying to make sure that it stays on for a little bit until we get a rack clear so I can put it up there. God damn, this car is sexy, guys. So the reason I'm bringing it to Voodoo today is to do a little bit of a look over on it, make sure everything's good. Okay, now she's definitely not.
Turn back on.
Well, we might just have to rig up a wire to the starter. Okay, so the man Kalen's about to go to give us his first kind of impressions of the car.
Right, haven't got to see it yet.
He's about to roast me for buying this piece of shit. He's like, oh, you messed up.
You got the hood shocks right. Wow. Looks pretty clean, man, first glance.
Yeah?
Yeah. I'll come over and tell you this piece of shit.
Oh, okay.
Use this shit.
About to crank her up. Let's see how she looks like underneath.
A lot of times these bushings they tear.
No, I'm just saying it's real close.
They go bad. So
Yeah,
that's one of the things I always look at.
It has hit it.
They
Where?
look fine. They
See
look
the
fine.
rust?
This whole
Rust
black area, it's a rubber.
It starts cracking, yeah.
Oil-filled bushing, and they crack and they release all the oil and they no longer work anymore.
Okay. All right, guys. So after going through the car for the past, what, 20-30 minutes or so, kind of looking at everything, we decided to kind of pinpoint some of the good and the bad with this car. So obviously it's a built car, and you know, not everyone is a fan of buying cars already built. But I felt comfortable with this car because I did see that it was pretty well put together for the most part. Obviously there's going to be stuff you can improve, but that's with every car. So I'm going to go ahead and kind of have Kalen here just go through some of the stuff that he sees, kind of his first impressions of everything and how the build is.
Yeah, they did a lot of the right stuff. I mean, like I said, there's always something more you can always do, but full 3-inch. It's got that BMR panhard bar on it, lower control arms. It's pretty good. I mean, you got a small axle leak right here, but that's a Mustang problem. That's not a modification problem.
Okay.
So I see that all the time. Got the GT500 carbon fiber drive shaft.
Because it has that GT500 transmission in there.
Yep, it's got the GT500 6060 Blowfish Racing drive shaft loop. Got the cutouts plus the side pipes, which might end up getting rid of.
Yeah, I'm thinking about getting rid of the side pipes. It's a lot of noise coming out of the sides.
You got a lot of exhaust exits. You know?
Yeah.
So.
But the cutouts look pretty cool.
Yeah, no, they did them right. They look good. Right in a good location, just before the H.
Good stuff.
Yeah. Yeah, it looks like got a small oil leak, but again, turbo cars, it's inherent with turbo cars. There's always some type of oil leak on them. But
and the shifter is not stock either.
Oh no, yeah, you got the MGW shifter. You can barely see her up there.
It's like a short throw, so yeah, you can definitely feel it.
That looks good.
Yeah, the shifts are nice in this thing.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, it's a race car. It's not a street car, so.
Street car.
I mean, you can make it whatever you want to make it. Call it what you want to call it. But yeah, no, it's nice. It's got the BMR K-member with the poly mounts. So I know you've been saying that it's a solid mount. It's probably about as solid as you would ever want to drive on the street.
Yeah, no, it's pretty stiff.
Oh yeah, you get a lot of VHP, a lot of feedback through it. So Got the reinforced factory control arms. So these are upgrades for the Boss and the GT500.
Okay.
Yeah, they come with this. These are basically, if you have a GT, this is what I sell you. Put these on. I don't even try to sell you aftermarket arms. Just use the 4 factory ones because they have reinforced bracing here and on here.
Yeah,
Much stronger
right
arm.
Nice.
H&R sway bar. It's nice, man. I think you did good.
Okay.
This is a great starting point.
Okay.
For you, like, man, this covered, you saved a lot of money doing it this way. A lot of money.
Hell yeah. Okay, that's what I like to hear. You're not saying that just because I'm a Voodoo customer.
I mean,
You're being honest. Like,
being honest.
Yeah. Would you buy this car?
I would love to have this car.
Really?
Hell yeah. This is badass.
For real? Okay.
It's legit. They did really well on this. You know?
I'm stoked.
We're just little odds and ends, touch-up stuff, make it really reliable.
I feel like some of it is like weekend project stuff that you can kind of like tackle, like in like little segments.
And that's kind of
it's nothing like needs attention right now.
No, there's nothing's about to fall off this car. You're not spewing oil. You don't, there's no exhaust leaks, nothing like that. You know.
All right. So there you go. So I just really wanted to kind of get that peace of mind anytime you want to bring or buy a car. It's nice to have, a shop that you trust and work with, go over it. So if you are looking for somebody to look over your car, you guys, this is service you offer.
We'll do pre-inspection.
Pre-inspection stuff, yeah. The car was a little further out. I was planning to bring it to you guys before I even bought it. Yeah. But it was all the way like 80 miles.
Wasn't it?
Yeah, like super far. So it was gonna be hard for the seller all the way to come out here. So I put it up and I kind of looked at it and I saw what you saw a little bit, but obviously you guys pointed out more stuff than I did. And but if it definitely was an option, I wanted to bring it first here and kind of have you guys throw it up on the rack because it's just a nice peace of mind. Because sometimes it looks amazing from the outside body wise or everything.
Yeah, no, it's super.
It could be like a bad oil, leak or something.
There's always can be something hidden. You just don't know when you take it under and really look through them.
Yeah.
But, no, that's a nice car.
Yes! Problem is there. You hear the click in the passenger side? What if we smack the starter?
That's what I'm doing next.
So, car's still doing the stupid starting problem that it's been doing. Hope we can get it figured out. We're gonna tap the starter and see if it turns over. If it does, it might be like a stuck solenoid not firing.
Nothing wrong with your starter.
Okay.
I just started with a screwdriver.
Oh, okay.
I just jumped the terminal.
Jumped. So it's.
I was like, he started it up.
Yeah, when the key is in the on position, you can tap them like that.
Oh, okay. I thought you found a missing little something over there.
No, so
it's something electrical.
Something electrical, something ignition.
Great. So it's not the starter, which would have been easier, much easier fix.
It's never the easy fix, man.
That's life for you.
Yep.
Because I've been trying to trace this problem, man. It's been driving me crazy. Checked all the relays, fuses, been trying to trace the wires. I don't know.
What do you got, Nate?
I'm gonna try and start it now.
Good.
Yeah.
Oh,
Try it again.
now it's not working.
All right, key on.
See, that's what it keeps doing. Where it'll work, and then
Give you one go after.
and then a couple goes after sometimes, and then it'll stop, and then sometimes it won't work at all.
Try it again. Oh man, that's a fun one.
That's a fun one, right? All right, guys. So I'm just gonna give you a little disclaimer right now. This is not something that Voodoo advised I do, but the car has an issue where it won't crank on, it won't turn on. There's enough power, the battery's good, the starter's good. There's obviously another issue. We try to trace it and just don't have enough time to kind of keep dealing with it right now. So we're doing like a temporary fix where we pretty much hot wire the starter.
Give you a nice cool push button start.
Yeah, we're kind of another mod, yeah. So Kalen just goes above and beyond. So he made like this whole contraption pretty much.
Soldered heat shrink.
I thought he was just gonna give me like 2 wires, but
I can't do it.
He has an
unless it's the right
OCD,
way.
which is good. It makes me feel at ease now when I leave my car with him, knowing that this is how much he cares to.
Even when we're doing something wrong, it's done right.
It's done right. That's hilarious, but yeah, race car things.
Yeah, race car life. Get used to it.
Yep. All right, guys. So after some work, I'm gonna show you the new contraption. Yep. No hands. Yeah, don't roast me for this. Please don't roast me for this. I know it's not supposed to be like this, but you gotta do what you gotta do, all right? There's a lot of racing going on this weekend. I don't want to miss it. There's only 1 day left to get this thing up there, and I cannot find what the issue is, so.
It's a Band-Aid fix.
It's a Band-Aid fix.
We'll get it right next week.
We'll get it right next week. There we go.